Another video so soon? I got too excited. This is my Holiday Glam video number 2. Let me show you how I achieve this look. I'm using my Mario Badescu toner, my savior even on bad skin days. As you can see, I have fresh pimple scars right now. I scratched them in my sleep. I'm still trying to get rid of them. This acne gel has been quite helpful with flattening the bumps a bit. Once they get quite flat, I'm using this scar gel that I know and trust. While letting it dry, let's do the eyes. Starting with the brows. We're doing the middle shade, dark shade, and black. Like in my recent videos. Same upgraded brow techniques. I'm still learning along the way. Clean up using foundation. I'm two-toning it again. Serum boosting. Wipe some excess product off. I'll use this for the pimples because I'm sure foundation won't be enough to hide it. Purple and then foundation. Not working. Some orange and then purple. And then skin tone. Oh gosh, let's just hope this works. foundation. Oh, and some for my dark circles. Lighter but fuller coverage foundation. Contouring at the base. I do not really like this part. You'd notice that I sometimes change the order of my applications. Sometimes it's eyeshadow first, sometimes it's foundation first. To me, it doesn't really matter, as long as the brows happen before anything else. Some spice and some pink. Remember I used Australis Blue in my last video? I'm using a pink one this time. Dry application. I like the idea of mixing colors. It saves money, I think. Mixing different colors to achieve another is just so fun. And some black. Eyeliner. Well, this eyeliner is a bit more challenging to apply on top of shiny eyeshadow than on matte ones. Takes more effort, but it still works, so I guess we're good. Kajal pencil liner for the upper eyelid inner lash line, and waterline. Playing with makeup is best done with music. Glam lashes to complete the eye look. Don't forget to put on mascara. Powder to seal it all before I color and contour the rest of my face. Coloring it in. Nose line. I might get a nose job if I wasn't too scared of surgery, but nah, I don't really see it happening. Multitasking much? Light soft glow all over with highlighter and powder. Bronzer. Little bit of pink. Strong highlights. I'm making my lips a bit thicker than usual, just to cover up my tiny pimple near the lip area. It's a clogged pore that turned into a pimple, so yeah. I hope I did a good covering up. Enjoy your parties. See ya!